Hey everyone, need to convert USDT to TRX on Binance? It's quick and easy. Today I am going to show you how to convert USDT to TRX on Binance. First of all, log into your Binance account on the app or website. Make sure you have USDT in your wallet before proceeding. On the home page, tap Trade, then select Convert for a simple swap. This is the easiest way with zero fees. In the Convert section, choose USDT as the currency you want to swap and TRX as the currency you want to receive. Type in the amount of USDT you want to convert. If you want to swap all your USDT, tap Max, then tap Preview Conversion to see the exchange rate, then hit Convert to finalize the swap. Your TRX will be credited instantly. And that's it. You have successfully converted USDT to TRX on Binance. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.